Hello students, today we are starting our lecture number 5. The lecture contents are: what is guest post, basics of guest posting, benefits of guest blogging, who can write guest posts, how to start guest posting, and executing guest post strategy. What is guest post? Guest posts are very common these days, and people are earning huge amounts through guest posts. So I have added this topic in content writing because I am especially working for those who want to learn from freelancing using their ability of content writing. Guest posting is also a type of content writing. So first of all, it is necessary to understand what is guest post. What is guest post? It is a contribution of content to other person's blog. It is called guest blogging. The writer submits content to a blog that does not belong to him. Writing an article for your own blog is called post, but on others' blog, the writer is a guest, so it is called blog guest post. I think the concept of guest post will be clear in your mind. Basics of guest posting. Guidelines for quality guest posts. Always submit a well-written guest post. I'll also discuss how to write guest post, but first of all, I'm trying to teach you that what are the basics. These are the things which you need to keep in mind while writing a guest post. Stick to the topic because people love to read relevant and informative material. The post should be useful because people may share it on social media. The links provided in the post must be relevant and informative. The ranking of the blog on which you are posting is very important. Benefits of guest blogging. The writers get following benefits: relationship building, or we can say relationship development, brand awareness, targeting new audience, getting traffic to your websites, getting backlinks for SEO, email list formation, authority development, getting social media followers. Who can write guest posts? Everyone can write a guest post. Here we have used some technical terms. For example, getting traffic to your websites. It's a topic of search engine optimization. Your content is the king. It brings traffic to your website. If the quality of your content is good and it is informative, then visitors visit your website or blog, your article, and it gets a good rank in search engines. Backlinks is also a technical term. If your content is good, then people will agree to put your article's link on their websites. And email list formation is also a type of social media marketing. The database of emails is collected, and you can send emails to those people, to those companies in your marketing strategy, in your marketing campaigns. How to start guest posting. Here are step-by-step guidelines to start guest posting. Headline ideas. Now I'm teaching how you will write a guest post. Headline ideas. Here I am talking about How to write a guest post. Headline ideas. The titles or headlines of blog posts should be like what is, tips for, how to, benefits of, best examples of. You have noted that in every point there is 3 dots after the words. It shows that you will start your title with these words, but then you will give some detail. For example, what is the benefit of computer literacy? Tips for online earning. How to earn millions of dollars. So these types of topics, these types of headlines will attract readers and they will read your post. How to start guest posting. Alternative to product versus product. How to use, how to fix, how to cancel. Websites that sell links allow you to submit an article by putting backlinks to your website. The idea behind it is that Google will find the article and will follow the link. There is an industry of paid guest posts to rank higher your website, so it can also be called paid guest posts. This work of paid guest posts is getting popularity and people are learning huge amounts. You put a link of your client's website or blog in your article and post it to another good article and post it to another good blog or website. The link given in your article drives traffic from search engine to your client or to the person whose link you have given in your article. So this is the benefit which that person would get, and you will get money against that article, against that link. Executing guest post strategy. Here are the steps to execute a guest post strategy. Step 1. Determine goals of guest posting. Step 2. Finding opportunities of guest posts. Step 3. Approval, qualify sites for guest posting. Step 4. Topics for guest posts. Step 5. Creating pitch perfectly. Step 6. Writing worth publishing posts. Step 7. Follow-up of work. Step 8. Tracking results. Step 1. Determine goals of guest posting. You should set marketing strategy in view of your goals because it sets the roadmap to achieve your goals. Brand awareness. More and more people should know about your brand. Introduction of services. You should introduce your products and services to the people. How can you help? Educate people how your services, products and expertise can help them. More visible on social media. Engage more and more people on social media. Boost SEO. Off-page SEO strategies should be supported by getting high-quality backlinks. Building authority in industry. It is good to show your authority and expertise in the industry. Traffic. You should get more traffic to your blog through referral traffic. Increasing leads. Reach new audience to generate more leads. Once you come to know about your guest posting objectives, then you will know opportunities of guest posting in the direction of getting your objective. Step 2. Finding opportunities of guest posts. How you will find the opportunities? You can use these 3 techniques to find guest posting blogs. Always go for blogs that are interesting for your audience. Try to find topics your audience cares about and visits the most. You can find favorite categories to submit content. You should search ideal guest posting blogs to submit content. Follow your competitors to find guest posting blogs. Follow your competitors to find guest posting blogs. It can be done by finding blogs, websites where your competitors post. Find backlinks to your blog and contact them for post. Step 3. Qualify sites for guest posting. These are the sites we are collecting information of. These steps show the path on which we shall move to collect the names, the URLs of those blogs and websites where of those websites to whom we shall contact to post our article. Step 3. Qualify sites for guest posting. First of all, make a list of potential guest posting blogs and then analyze each of them to find which one is fit for you. You should consider following things while selecting a blog for guest posting. Does the blog have your targeted audience? Does it have proper size of audience? Can it drive desired traffic to your website or blog? Does it have a strong authority in search engines? Step 4. Topics for guest posts. Once you find a best fit blog for guest post, then develop blog ideas. You should brainstorm ideas for guest posts according to the needs and demands of your readers and publishers. You should make sure that your post is fit for your readers. Read the interests of your publisher's audience and write accordingly. Don't go for the ideas that have already been covered on the blog. You should make sure that the topic is according to your goals. Step number 5. Creating pitch perfectly. Always contact the right person for guest post publication. Read guest post guidelines in detail. Write a catchy headline or subject of the post. Write a unique and quality post. Don't focus on promotional type content only. Convince your publisher with the benefits he will get with your guest post. You should provide links to earlier guest posts showing quality and value while contacting the publisher. Step 6. Writing worth publishing posts. Here are some best practices. Follow publishers' guidelines. No doubt, the purpose of your guest post is to promote your products and services. Add value to your content to attract readers. There must be information and something new for the reader to take away. It will convince your publisher to allow posts. Write your content professionally and proofread it to make it error-free. According to the publisher's guideline, link a page of your site in the content. It will drive relevant traffic to your blog. Offer readers to visit your blog or website for more reading. Step 7. Follow-up of work. It does not mean your work is over once your post is published, but keep good relationship with your publishers to post more content in future. You can share your posts on social media, reply to comments and link it to your blog. Step 8. Tracking results. It is very important to track results to find out what you gain from guest posts. If the result is good, then you can post again in future. Guest posting is very important for your marketing and SEO purposes. Guest posting is very important for your marketing and SEO purpose. It will add value and authority to your websites. You will get quality content and links for marketing. This was our lecture number 5. I hope you have learned. It's a long lecture. If you have some problems, then you can contact me at my email address. You can go through this lecture again. And you can also search guest posting on Google. It will give you examples and written material to read as an example. So this is blog posting or guest posting from where you can earn sufficient amount. This is the lecture number. I hope you have learned and got an idea. So thank you for today's lecture.